Today, we're gonna make a slaw, but not any type of slaw. Not your coleslaw that's at the barbecue that no one wants to eat. No, we're making a fun slaw, okay? It's going to have lots of vegetables in it because a big topic of discussion with all my patients is how to get more vegetables into your diet. And a simple slaw, which is really just a template for a side dish, can happen with lots of variety. So if you don't have these ingredients or you're stressing about finding them all at the grocery store, I'll give you a little template just to work with. And again, lots of different options here.
All right, to begin, we're gonna be peeling these carrots and shredding them quite simply here. Boom, just like that. Thinly slicing this purple cabbage and roughly chopping the cilantro, including the stems, thinly slicing this red onion, adding lime juice to everything in a bowl, along with a dab of mayo, smoked paprika, garlic salt for seasoning, and giving everything a rough toss in the bowl. And there you have it, quite simple.
Mm-hmm.